Hello guys and welcome back. In this lecture, we will learn how to log in into the HostGator control panel with the email which we have received in the last lecture. We put these credentials into HostGator control panel and then log in into the HostGator control panel, and then we will install the WordPress software, and then we will start making our first website in WordPress. So open your email and add your username and password in the given URL provided in the email. Once click on login, you will see the control panel home screen where you will see different options in the panel. Right now you will just need a WordPress installation link, which will find under the software section, quick install. So click on click install. Alright, and then click on WordPress. Now you can pick your domain like website 2018.wpviz.com. In your case, you will pick your domain which you have already purchased and activated in the last lecture. So select that domain and click on next. Here you can add your website title, website 2018, admin user, dev boy, first name James, last name Tucker, and the email is I'm entering my email, but you will enter your email. Once done, then click on terms of service agreement checkbox and then click on install button. Here we go. Our installation has been completed and you can see the installation URL, your website WordPress URL with the username and password. So you can either go to your email and open the URL and the credential from there, or you can click on login button to open your WordPress website right from here. So I'm going to my email and put my username, and my password. This is system generated password. We will change that password later once we log in into the WordPress dashboard. So and click on login button. Here we go. Congratulations. Your WordPress has been installed and you have successfully logged in into the WordPress dashboard. Thank you guys. See you in the next lecture.